Come with me to the Luxor rooms. I am starting my walk from the Luxor parking structure. This is the VIP line for higher tier casino players. It is also for people with the MGM credit card that has no annual fee. This line took 5 minutes compared to the 30 minutes in the regular line. After getting my key card from the check-in area, I am heading to my room, which is called the Tower Premier 2 Queen Room. The elevators are named by colors. I had the silver elevators. Walk from the lobby to my room took me 3 minutes. My friends actually got stuck in the elevators. After they walked into the elevator and the door closed, the elevator went down 1 floor and just stayed at that floor for a minute. Then they felt the elevator drop 10 floors, and then they used the emergency elevator button to call someone who said to be patient, and then 2 minutes later the elevators started working normally. Alright, let's do the room tour! I love the modern look. All of the rooms in this tower were renovated in the year 2018. Let's start off with the bathroom. Dang, these cabinets are fake. Bathroom has 1 sink. Countertop area is kinda small compared to other hotels on the strip. All the toiletries are multi-use for all guests. The bathtub still looks old. Feels like the tub was never replaced during renovation. And then they matched the tile color with the tub. The water pressure felt very weak. Same thing with the shower. The water pressure feels weak, but it did its job, so I'm not complaining. The more high-end hotels have stronger water pressure. I hate these community shampoo and body wash. I don't trust them even though the cap has a lock. All the MGM-owned casinos do this now to be eco-friendly and save money over the disposable travel-size toiletries. I love the dark accents on the carpet and walls and bedpost. This room has 2 queen beds. The other option is 1 king bed for the same price. Here is the view outside of the room. It looks pretty empty now, but this is where the new baseball stadium will be built. Expected to open in the year 2028. It is all dirt right now because this is where the Tropicana used to be before it was demolished. Comes with an ice bucket and plastic cups. The ice machine is outside the rooms towards the elevators on the same floor. Here's a large closet that no one probably uses. The closets have an ironing board, iron, and hangers for your clothes. The safe is nicely hidden. It looks to hold a lot of room in the safe. Here are some more empty drawers for you to store things. I feel like nobody would use these drawers because you might forget about them after checkout. The lighting in the room is good at night. They're all manual on/off switches on the lamps themselves. I booked 2 rooms at Luxor, and on the TV, they were both displaying this virtual fireplace. I tried getting a connecting room, but they said they ran out.